All right, we got a very special 1959 Triumph Bonneville TT120, first year for the Bonneville, and this one is definitely rare as it's got the Jomo engine build, one family owned. The original owner was a captain in the Air Force, bought it at Santa Barbara Triumph, and essentially had Johnson Motor Company build him a high-performance engine. We've got all the receipts and paperwork on it from 1965. So he wrote it initially for a while and then had them do the build on it. So it's all Jomo cams, pistons, lifters, valves, you know, everything that should be done with that much of a build. It's 11-to-1 compression. And essentially, after he built it and then ended up passing away, the family had just kept it, and the motor had never been ran. It was just filled with ATF fluid and sitting. So we do have the original carbs. As you could tell, the carbs have been replaced, and this was the proper upgrade to the original carbs. Still has break-in oil in it. There's probably only about 20 miles on it so far, so it is in the break-in process. Got some Magnafoam exhausts on there, sounds really nice. And then you've also got some Burani Italian-made aluminum wheels, front and back. So this one's a bit of a resto mod of bikes, if you will, but just a badass. As you know, Jomo made all of the race bikes back then with these Triumphs and put them out on the track as a tribute to the Salt Flat land speed record originally set. But I'll get another one of it started so you can hear the engine running. It's just a beautiful bike, charcoal gray. Got all the paperwork going back to day one, including the original tag from the dealer. All of the specs on the motor, how everything was adjusted in, the receipts, as I mentioned, from Johnson. So everything is included with the bike, and definitely a rare one. You can see the gunmetal gray, I think, looks good and appropriate with this one. Seat, nice and worn. I love that's got just a natural distress to it. But pegs, everything's there. Got a little bit of a pedal here on the shifter with some electrical tape on it. You know, a little discoloring as expected up on the pipes from the heat. But the motor and everything else is in really phenomenal condition. You can see the original Speedo as well, Smith Speedo. And that would have been original mileage on the engine, about 21,500 before Jomo got their hands on it. I'll include a picture, but the frame number and the engine number are matching. So it's all original equipment, and just a rare find to come across something like this in a first-year Bonnie. But just an incredible bike. Thought about adding it to my collection, but I get too addicted to these things and already sitting on quite a few. So there you have it. I'll do another video of it running. It's been raining and wet outside. I don't think I'm going to get it out and ride it, but I'll get as many pictures as I can so you can see everything, and obviously let me know if you got any questions on this one.